Hello, dear students. Today's topic of our lecture is Shirpak Kalpana, that is milk decoction. Uh, in general terms, what is Shirpak Kalpana? What is the meaning of Shirpak Kalpana? That is milk along with some medicinal drugs heated with some part of water on low gas flame, and what is we can get is our Shirpak Kalpana. Then what are the points we have to learn in this lecture is first of all, what is definition of Shirpak Kalpana? Then Dravya as to Kshira as to water proportion by various acharyas. Then what are the examples of Shirpak Kalpana? Then what is the clinical utility? Which means in which clinical conditions we can use this type of Shirpak Kalpana. Then important points to remember according to point of view of examination. That is, it is asked for 3 mark or 5 mark. That is for short answer writing. Then we have to remember which points we have to write in the examination. Then let's start with our definition. First of all, according to Acharya Sharandar, Shiram Ashtagunam Dravyat, Shirattiram Chaturgunam, Shiravashesham Tatpitam, Shulam Amotruvam Jayat, which means we have to take one part of a medicinal drug, then we have to add 8 parts of milk, that is Kshira, then we have to add 32 parts of water, that is Jala, and we have to heat it on low gas flame until the total water content is evaporated, and what is left over is our Kshirpakalpana. Then according to Acharya Sharandar Sahit, according to Acharya Yadavji Trikamji, Shiram Tithi Gunam Dravyat, Shirat Niram Samammatam, Shiravashesham Kartavyam, Shirapakitva Tithi, which means we have to take one part of medicinal drug, then we have to add 15 parts of milk, that is Shira, then 15 parts of water, and we have to heat it on low gas flame until the total water content gets evaporated. And what is left over is our Shirpakal. Then what I have explained you in this shlokas, here I have explained in the picture format to remember you or for easy understanding for you. First of all, according to Ayadavili Trikamji, Dravya 1 part, milk 15 parts, and water 15 parts. Then according to Sharandar, Acharya Sharandar, Dravya 1 part, milk 8 parts, and water 32 parts. Then what is the actual procedure of Kshirpak Kalpana? We have to take post powder, that is Yavakut churna of expected drug, that is medicinal drug, which we have to, whose Kshirpak we have to prepare. Then add 15 parts or 18 parts according to method. या फिर ये शारंदर या शारंदर और आचार्य यादव जी add 15 to 32 parts of water, then heating on slow fire until total water content get evaporated. Then Kshirpak is ready. Then there is one different point according to Acharya, one point, that is first we have to prepare path of given drug by adding 16